Welcome to our video demo of SmartNXTTOOLS. This demo shows how to use the Auto Merge feature for duplicates in your Blackboard Razor's Edge NXT database. Installing SmartNXTTOOLS involves adding 2 Chrome or Edge web browser extensions. First, you need to install the SmartNXTTOOLS extension. Then you'll need to install the Stay Awake extension. We provide links to the installation pages in our onboarding email. If your organization restricts access to these extensions, please contact your IT team to have them enable the installation. Once these are installed, you go to Tools, Data Health. You can now see a count of your possible duplicates. Click on the number of duplicates to see the duplicate details and the new automatic merge feature. Set your match likelihood, which is how likely Blackboard thinks these are duplicate records. This setting will determine the minimum likelihood required before we merge records. You will need to set this to 3 for very certain, down to 0, depending on what your organization agrees is the minimum criteria for merging records. You are nearly ready to start the automatic merge. When you click Merge Now, the system will run the merge process. However, please ensure you activate the Stay Awake extension before that. Click on the extensions icon and then activate it. This may be under the Extensions menu in Chrome, the jigsaw piece. Then click Merge Now so the process can start. Because Stay Awake is activated, your computer won't lock. It will carry on as if you're there, merging records and going through the whole list of records until it finds none with the right match likelihood. Because your computer will be activated and unlocked, make sure it is in a secure location before you run this. Sit with it while it's processing, maybe using other tools or applications. Thanks for your time today. We hope you enjoy using our tool. Visit our website to book a call or contact our team to find out more about this or other products.